Hey everybody, Gary Springay here with another Performance Audio and Sound video review. Everyone wants a great sounding system in their ride, but getting a system designed and installed can be a bit intimidating. For most people, thinking about the complexity of multiple amplifiers, the wiring, and then figure out how to fit it all in the existing space while still allowing room for groceries is just more than they care to deal with. But several manufacturers have produced multi-channel amplifiers designed to eliminate many of those concerns. The most popular format for a single amp that's meant to run an entire system with the front and rear speakers as well as a subwoofer is the 5-channel design. And while the 5-channel amps have been around for well over a decade, they were slow to gain popularity because they were invariably really large. But thanks to modern Class D technology, the new versions of this format are very small and consume only a fraction of the current that their ancestors required. This time we're going to take a look at one of the most modern and modestly sized 5-channel amps available. This is the Hertz HDP5. The HDP5 has a full suggested retail price of about $900 here in the United States and is rated at 60 watts by 4 plus 310 by 1 at 4 ohms and an impressive 100 by 4 plus 550 by 1 at 2 ohms. The HDP moniker stands for Hertz Digital Power and should be your first clue that this is an entirely Class D amplifier. Attention to details is what this amp is all about, with things like injection molded insulating rings that fit very precisely into the top of the end caps to prevent screwdriver induced short circuits. The forethought to make badges reversible sets the Hertz amp apart from other less thoughtful designs as well. And the thoughtful design carries into the audio section, with a very flexible crossover network allowing high pass, band pass, and low pass configurations, a wide range of frequency adjustments, and a switch that engages a 3-channel mode which will transform the HDP5 into a 200 by 2 at 4 ohms and 550 by 1 at 2 ohms. A handy configuration if you're not running rear speakers. The HDP5 is also a great choice for upgrading your OEM system as it comes with dedicated high-level inputs for all 5 channels and a special auto turn-on circuit that can also be used for cars that don't have a dedicated amplifier control wire. To control the subwoofer volume from the driver's seat, an optional remote level control is available. To monitor the amplifier's operational condition, there are 4 LEDs on the top control panel that indicate normal operation, or warn of signal clipping, thermal protection, or a short circuit condition. Inside the HDP5, I found separate power supplies for the main and subwoofer channels, which is important to prevent high current demands on the sub-channel from sapping the power from the main channels and causing premature clipping. Other good stuff included extensive use of low-tolerance surface mount components, low ESR high-temperature capacitors, and the main channels use the new 5-pin TO220 power MOSFETs. The Hertz HDP5 makes a great choice for a single chassis amplifier regardless of your current system. Thanks to the latest improvements in technology, the HDP5 is proof you can have great sound and abundant power in a single small amplifier chassis. So whether you need to conserve space, reduce current, or if you're just upgrading your OEM system with some new speakers and real power, the HDP5's low current draw, flexible crossovers, and auto turn-on circuit should put this amplifier on your short list. If you want to check out all the Hertz gear for yourself, visit them online at www.hertzaudiovideo.com. So as always, thanks for watching this PAS exclusive video review. To see more of our reviews or get the detailed test reports on the latest gear, visit us online at www.pasmag.com. Thanks for watching.